If you're wondering if there's a stereo speakers on POCO X7 Pro, first let's grab our device and then check it from all of the sides to find all of the speakers. So there's one speaker right here. If the camera would kindly focus, it's right here. Then another speaker is on top of the screen, and that's a phone call speaker, so we're gonna test if it works. And there's also gaps on the top, but some of them, I think right here we have Air Blaster, and those two are microphones. We're gonna check it anyway if they are the speakers. So now we need to play the music and cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, these two, that means it does have a stereo speaker. So let's test it out. Okay, so clearly sound is coming from the bottom speaker and the phone call speaker, but these two are actually and probably a microphone. So this device does have a stereo speaker, and that is basically everything.